Having an amazing customer service led by a visionary leadership team should be at the forefront of all organizations. My name is Dale Smith and I'm Creative Director for Bridge. We're a people agency specializing in employee engagement, culture, and how employees can deliver a customer experience that brings life to your brand promise. Recently, I spoke at the Contact Center Atlantic conference in New Brunswick.
But when our customers engage, and again, I always say, we're all customers, whether it be internal or external, with that live population. It's how does that live population represent the brand? I see time and time again, organizations putting these values up or out there, not engaging with them.
After having such an amazing time and meeting so many delegates, we've decided to launch 2 new courses looking at leadership, but from 2 different perspectives. One, for middle managers and team leaders on how they can lead their teams to deliver an amazing experience to their customers. These courses are going to be interactive, practical, and fun, and give delegates great tips that they're going to easily be able to take back to their organizations and apply. To find out more, I encourage you to visit our website at insidebridge.com or just drop us an email at info@insidebridge.com. I'd love to see you there, and if you have any questions, please be in touch. Thank you.